Lula, show me what Daddy's going to do to those wasps. What's that?
It's a paddle.
It's the what?
It's a paddle.
Okay, but what's he going to do to the wasp in your fort?
It's bugs in there.
I know there are bugs in there, but what's he going to do to the bugs? Shoot them? Spray them? And what's he going to spray them with? How's he going to do that?
It's money in there.
Mm-hmm. Show me how you spray something.
The bugs. It's scary.
That is scary, but show me how you spray the bugs.
Okay.
Okay.
My tummy.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
paddle.
Okay, good job.
I can be the for apple.
Forever. They'll be gone forever.
Gone for apple.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot them